Which are the most suitable switches for playing games? Some people like the blue switches, others like the red ones. Recently, I heard many friends who like to play games say they want to know which switches are more suitable for playing games. They wanted to have a crisp feel that was pleasing but comfortable to use. But I want to tell you that this kind of switch does not exist. I have a keyboard with a blue switch and a red switch respectively. As we all know, the clicky sound of the blue switch is its characteristic. It is also good news for the majority of sound lovers. However, as a game lover, the long keystroke of the blue switch brings a strong sense of blocking, which is not conducive to the high-speed use of games. Compared with the blue switch, the red switch is a universal switch. Although it lacks the paragraph sense, it has a short trigger keystroke, and can trigger the button in a shorter time, which is always one step ahead. And it is a straight up and down. It is suitable for playing games and office typing for a long time, making it easier for users. Trust me, it's always right to pick it. What do you think? Welcome to discuss with me.